In this kitchen, there's a very dated, very ugly fluorescent light fixture. I don't like light fixtures with long tube-shaped fluorescent light bulbs, so I'm going to remove and replace it. While this is a big structure and looks daunting, it's actually really simple to remove. In fact, all fluorescent ceiling light fixtures that require these long fluorescent tube bulbs are constructed the same way and are removed the same way, which is really easy to do. Now, the housing or the cover of the light fixture can differ among the light fixtures, but they're also very easy to figure out how to remove. The cover for this light fixture is held up by 2 screws on the sides. You see one here, and there's another one on the other side. If you have someone to help you by holding on to the other side, this is a cinch to take off. But I managed to take it off all by myself by taking the 2 screws off mostly, but not all the way. And while standing under the middle of the light fixture, I used one hand to hold up the cover while using the other hand to completely unscrew one of the screws, and then did the same for the other screw. But I didn't have a tripod to film myself that day. After you take off the fixture cover, you'll see that you also need to take off an inner cover. The flat edges of this inner cover slip inside these slits, and that's how this cover is held up. So you need to squeeze on the sides of this cover to be able to slip it off. Here's how that's done. Now you can see the wires and the ballast, which is that black box. The ballast regulates the electrical current running through the light fixture and keeps the fluorescent lamp from burning out. But that's neither here nor there, since you're going to remove the whole thing, and you can do that simply by unscrewing the 2 screws at each end. Here and here. But before you do that, detach the house wires coming from the ceiling. The 3 connection points for the house wires are at the orange nut connecting the white wires, the orange nut connecting the black wires, and the screw connecting the ground wire. This is what it looks like after you take the light fixture off. With these fluorescent light fixtures, you'll frequently find that no electrical box was ever installed and that the wires are coming straight out of a hole in the ceiling drywall. I show you how to fix this by installing an electrical box where this hole is in my next video, so please be sure to check that out.